This 2024 Keystone Springdale Classic East 261 BHC Slide, DBL Bed Bunks is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 30 feet 8 inches in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 10, slide-out, TV, air conditioning, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Springdale Classic East 261 BHC Slide, DBL Bed Bunks is 6,180 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.